Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up DaVinci Resolve for HDR editing workflow detailed guide step. Begin by launching DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Create a new project by clicking on New Project in the Project Manager. Name your project and click Create. Once inside the project, navigate to the project settings by clicking on the gear icon in the lower right corner. In the Master Settings tab, scroll down to the Color Management section. Set the color science to DaVinci YRGB Color Managed. Next, select HDR in the Color Processing Mode drop-down. Under the color space settings, choose Rec. 2020, set the tint to 5000K for a neutral white reference. Now, adjust the timeline color space setting to Rec. 2020, click on Save to apply these changes. Import your video files by clicking on the Media tab in the lower left corner. Drag your files into the media pool. Once your media is imported, switch to the Edit tab. Drag your footage onto the timeline. With the timeline active, head to the Color tab to start working on your HDR adjustments. Click on the Settings button in the Color tab toolbar. Ensure HDR is enabled within the color space settings for your clip. Use the color wheels or curves to begin grading your HDR footage. Adjust the highlights, midtones, and shadows to balance your image for HDR output. Utilize the color scopes to monitor your adjustments in real time. Once you're satisfied with the color grading, navigate to the Deliver tab to export your project. Select your desired render settings, making sure to choose an HDR-compatible format. Now, tick the option for HDR in the rendering settings. Click Add to Render Queue. Finally, start the render by clicking on Render All in the Queue panel. Your HDR editing workflow is now set up and complete in DaVinci Resolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.